friends! Welcome back to my channel, dear Charlene. So today, meron na naman tayong bagong episode. We are now here at Chintay Caritas, Balete, Batangas. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Terrace Villa. So we have here the Villa 1 and Villa 2. And currently, we are staying dito sa Villa 1. So ngayon, itutur ko kayo muna sa loob ng Villa 1. So let's go! So this is Villa 1. Here sa labas ng ating villa, we have the lanay. Ayan, so kanina may baon kami na lunch, so dito namin yung kinain. So pwede naman kayo magdala ng mga drinks nyo and food, though they also have the restaurant doon. Okay? So tara, pasok tayo dito. Ayan, so salamin yung kanyang door, sliding door. Salamin! Ayan, so let's go. So this is a Bali-inspired room. Okay, so ang tawag dyan ay Terrace Villa. So pagpasok nyo, yan. So nagulat kami, meron palang 2 beds. Kasi ang bino ko is Terrace Villa for 2. So yun, may 2 beds. Of course, you have the pang complimentary coffee, may water heater din, electric kettle, tapos mga teacups. Then sa ating fridge, ayan, so full naman siya ng mga beers, juice, and soft drinks. So meron tayong logo dito ng Chintay. So ito ay complimentary na. Pero the rest, you have to pay. Sorry naman. Tapos, dito sa room, you also have, ayan, this Bali-inspired na cabinet. So, buksan natin. Ayan. So, yun lang. You have hangers, towels, laundry bag, and then yung mga indoor na, slippers. Payong. At yung kanyang CR. Ang laki ng CR. So, let's go. Ayan. Ang laki. Pwede kayo mag-dance dito. Mga 4-5, pwede. So, ayan. May sink ka, mirror, yun yung toilet mo. Ayan. Tapos, dito yung shower. Ang laki. So yan, dear friends, so ito yung binigay nila na susi for us. And meron din silang binigay na map. So by the way, ang spelling niya ay Cintai. So, Sintay siya, diba? So, yung pronunciation doon is Chintay. So, it's an Indonesian word na meaning ay love. Love. Good morning, dear friends! Ayan, so nakapag-almusal na tayo and ready na to explore the Chintay. We are here na, dear friends, sa swimming pool. So, meron tayong baong pang-swimming. So, samahan nyo kami later. We are here, dear friends, sa isang pavilion nila. Yan. So, you can book there yung mga events ninyo. And nasa likod namin yung mga hawk. Ayan. May 2 hawks tayo dyan.
Yung pinasaan na picture niya. Dalawa.
Hi. Dear friends, we're back sa villa. Yan, recommended. Super recommended. Ang pool. So, merong pang kids, meron din pang 6 feet. So, okay naman. Malinis siya and you can swim and you can have fun with your friends and family. Ayan, dear friends, nakapag-check out na kami. So, ang pinag-stayan kasi namin is the Terrace Villa. Yun ay 4,800 for one night. Ayun, nakapag-bonding din kami doon sa wall na magkatapat. So, nag-picture-picture kami. Pinasan ko si Ego. Pinasan din niya ako. Ayan. And maraming salamat, dear friends, sa inyong panonood sa aming vlog. And I'll see you again on my next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, dear friends, and I love you all.